I don't really know the point of this video. I just want to document this because I feel like it's going to go really badly. So I was really hungry and I was watching Shane Dawson and they did something like this, so I got the idea. So I went to my kitchen pantry thing and I got some marshmallows and some microwave topping, yum, hot fudge, and some graham crackers, and I put it all, in a bowl, and I'm going to put it in the microwave, and I'm really kind of scared to see how it turns out. I put more chocolate on there. It's kind of, it's really, really, I have no life. I need some friends. It's really sad. Ew. Yum, yum, chocolate. Okay, how am I going to do this? I need a video camera. 1 second. My computer's going to get radiation. Does that cause cancer or solve cancer? I don't know. I'm not a doctor. Okay. I'm really scared that I'm going to get cancer. I should stop talking. It's on for 1 more minute. Oh, something's bubbling in there. I think it's the woman in black. Oh my god, what the heck is that? Whoa, whoa! What the heck? It's like bubbling. I love putting marshmallows in the microwave. 35 seconds. Whoa, whoa! This is gonna be amazing. Okay, 23 seconds left. Kind of scared it's gonna explode. My microwave is really dirty. What the heck, green on my microwave? I need to clean this thing. This is what happens when I'm home alone and I'm hungry and there's nothing in the house and my mom still needs to go to the store because she was at her boyfriend's house. Whoa. I feel the heat. Okay. I'm actually kind of scared to see the finished product. That would be really gross this movie. Oh my god. Okay. It's still moving, but that looks like a face. It smells like deliciousness. Yum, yum. Let's go chocolate. What other junk can I put on there? Flaxseed, protein powder, Cheez-It. Oh, cake cone. I'm gonna crumble up a cake cone and put it on there. It's like an ice cream sundae without the ice cream. But it's not Sunday. What? I need to go to bed and try to wake up again. Because hot. Really hot. Oh, someone came online on Skype. Is there anything else I could put on here to make it even more delicious? Like delicious pantry. All my junk food. No, my mom really needs to go to the store. I have nothing to eat. All this is stuff that requires cooking, and I don't cook. Oh yeah, ramen noodles on my sundae minus the sundae. Syrup chips I got from Miss Widman. I'm not even kidding. I was with Belle and we went into Miss Widman's room after school on Friday and she just gave us chips and pretzels. Yeah. Okay, well I'm gonna try to eat this now. What was the point of this video? What is wrong with me? Smucker's microwave topping, hot fudge. Do you Smucker? I don't know. Finished product. This really just looks like toxic sludge. I haven't turned to Spider-Woman. There's something wrong with me. I have disease. I ate it with a fork or a spoon. I ate it with a really long orange spoon. Mix it up with the deliciousness. Might as well put some more chocolate on there. What harm could it do? That's your cue, chocolate. Okay. Just taste the chemicals. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm actually gonna eat it. Okay. Get it. That looks nice and toxic. First bite reaction. I kind of like it. I think I like it. Yeah! Sorry to the people below me. I live in an apartment, so the people below me probably think I'm crazy. Why jumping? So yeah, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna do the cliche YouTube thing. Thumbs up and subscribe. I don't know. I'm never on YouTube. I just do covers. So follow me on Twitter. My name is Jordan Dillards with a Z at the end. Yeah, I don't know. I'm crazy. I'm trying to think of other things. Twitter, subscribe on YouTube. Oh, Google Play Market, one of my songs that I wrote is up. It's called All That We Could Be. Buy it. Shameless self promotion. Heart. Kinda. It's more like a bug. Yes. I'm pondering. I look... Okay, sorry. I'm getting really off topic. Google Play. Go to the Google Play Market and search Jordan Dillard or search All That We Could Be. I'll link that down here. I'm sorry. I'm really hyper. Okay, maybe I don't like it. Maybe these graham crackers were stale. Kroger. What a joke. Oops. But yeah, I'm getting off topic. So yeah. Oh, and leave any comments down below for the next suggestion that I should do for another random video, or the next cover of a song I should do. Okay, bye. Wee, mouth tour. Nah.